Good morning. Welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this presentation, we are going to see how you should have applied our simple day trading strategy on yesterday's market to gain success in day trading. You can see this blue color candlestick that indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened somewhere around 7,190s. So this is the yesterday's market price opening. But if you see, the price opened just above our green line, which indicates that the momentum for buying is on. So now let us see how you should have entered into the market. After the price opening, you can see slowly the market moved up and tried to break this first white line. Probably you should have taken an entry in this point, or we can leave it, because within a short while the price reversed and showed its colors to ash color. So it is probably a matter of chance. If you had entered in this area, it's well and good. If you have not, that is not also bad. So we will be waiting for the second entry option. Here you can see that the price was moving and completely the color of the candlestick was in ash color. Whenever you can see, always see the date and time below. Whenever I place the cursor on any particular candlestick, you can see the date and time below. So you can, now let's move on. Here we got an exact entry point. So it satisfies all our rule. The price it provided a signal just above this white line. Now let us see what happened after that. Probably this would be our entry point, and initially your stop loss will be near this first white line, the second white line. So now you can see slowly you should have the habit of modifying your stop loss. Now you can see slowly your risk, you are reducing your risk. Slowly and steadily you are reducing your risk, because you are increasing your stop loss. That means you are reducing your risk. So the price went up to certain extent. It went beyond the 2000 rupees, that is 20 points, and I'm going to cancel this. Now you can see the price went up, and it provided us a great and huge profit. So if you remember, on yesterday's the day before yesterday's market, we were in little bit of struggle. So now you can see from the market opening itself, it had provided us a very good profit. So still you can see the price went up, and here it had provided you another entry option after coming out. If you are continuing the first trade itself based upon the trailing stop loss which you had, that is well and good. Or this is the area where you should have entered again by having a stop loss below this second white line. So let me draw it just to have a clear view. This will be a stop loss, this will be your entry point. So I am going to delete this. So let us see what happened after that. Again the price went up. So yesterday the market was completely dominated by the buyers. So it went up, and you can see completely now it's showing pure ash color, which indicates that the price is thinking down. And then it changed the color of the candlestick to red, but we are not going to concentrate on this, because our rule 1 states that whenever the price is staying above this green line, we are not going to take or do anything against the trend. So here you got another entry option. Here you can see after that, here you got, probably this would be the area, because the price went up in a very high speed. So this is your entry point, and your stop loss is based upon the second white line. Now you can see slowly, you can see this is what we are stressing the point. Initially your stop loss may look big, but after a few candlestick you can see your stop loss is decreasing. That is the great advantage of using using this particular day trading strategy. So this also went up in a very good profit. So again the price of the candlestick changed to red, but we are not focusing on this, as we know the price is staying above the green color line. This is probably the area many traders they may think that since the price had moved a lot, so that they can go short and they can bet against the trend. But as a trend follower, we don't do anything against the trend. Purely you can see how our charting platform is customized in such a way it can take all the intraday trend into account. Now here you got some another entry option. Here you can see this would be probably an entry area. So slowly you should always have the habit of, as I say, always say that increasing this line based upon the second white line. So I am going to delete this. So let's see where this price went up. So this had also provided us a very good profit. You can see completely it was dominated by the buyers. Yesterday on the previous day, that was on day before yesterday, that was on 2nd of September, we had 2-3 stop loss. We got was triggered. 2-3 stop loss got triggered, and by the end of the day we closed with a minimum loss or a bit of minimum profit. But if you see the yesterday's market, completely it was a whitewash. You can see that it was completely dominated by the buyers, and our charting platform had provided you an exact entry and exit point. This is one of the best way to use our tool for day trading. So if you are not our client, please kindly open a trading account with us, and you can make use of this wonderful day trading platform. So thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.